Life today can feel so overwhelming. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, endless to-do lists, and stuff. So much stuff. But what if I told you there's a way to slow down, to breathe, and to focus on what truly matters? That's where minimalism comes in. In today's video, we're diving into what minimalism really is, why it's not just about having fewer things, and how you can start your journey toward a simpler, more intentional life starting today. When most people hear the word minimalism, they picture bare white walls, one chair, and living out of a single backpack. But here's the truth. Minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about intention. Minimalism is the practice of simplifying your life by removing what doesn't serve you, whether that's physical clutter, toxic relationships, or even unnecessary commitments, so you can focus on what truly matters to you. Think of it this way. Minimalism is like curating your life the same way you would curate a beautiful art gallery. You choose what goes on display and remove everything that distracts from the masterpiece your life. So, why choose minimalism? Because it gives you space in every sense of the word. Here are just a few ways minimalism can change your life. Less stress, more peace. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. When your home feels calm, your mind feels calm. Save money. You stop buying things you don't need, which frees up money for the things you truly value like experiences, travel, or even just financial security. More time. When you own less, you spend less time cleaning, organizing, and searching for things. Clarity on what matters. Minimalism helps you strip away distractions so you can focus on your goals, relationships, and well-being. At its core, minimalism gives you freedom, the freedom to live a life by design, not by default. Ready to begin your minimalism journey? Here are 3 simple steps to get started. Step 1. Start small. Pick just one area to simplify, maybe a single drawer or your phone apps. Small wins create momentum. Step 2. Ask the right question. When deciding whether to keep something, ask, does this add value to my life? If the answer is no, let it go. Step 3. Focus on progress, not perfection. Minimalism is a lifestyle, not a one-time event. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every little step forward. Minimalism isn't about living with less, it's about making room for more. More peace, more joy, more of what truly matters. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your journey, remember this. Minimalism isn't about getting rid of everything you own. It's about being intentional with everything you keep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little simplicity in their life today. And tell me in the comments what's one thing you want to simplify in your life right now.